While Kokoro Mio offers direct access to the stunning Bacalar Lagoon, there may be moments when you prefer to stay closer to your suite. Just steps away, you'll find a serene pool area, complete with daybeds, lounge chairs, and a peaceful waterfall cascading over the Kokoro Mio hummingbird emblem. If you're in the mood for a snack or a refreshing drink, simply message the staff via the WhatsApp number provided. They're always happy to assist. As you step through the wooden tunnel leading to your private cabana, you're immediately surrounded by natural textures, soft filtered light, and the peaceful stillness of the jungle. Each suite is thoughtfully designed with sustainability in mind, elevated slightly above ground to preserve the integrity of the land beneath. Inside, a bamboo ceiling stretches overhead, while handcrafted wooden furniture and woven accents add warmth and character throughout. At the center of the cabana is a king-size bed draped in luxurious linens and framed by a delicate mosquito net. Now let's take a look at the bathroom. To the right, you'll find a stunning open-air shower and soaking tub, surrounded by greenery and stocked with organic bath products and thoughtful details throughout. On the opposite side of the suite, a separate door leads to the toilet area, which includes a full-length mirror, a hairdryer, and a sleek sink setup. Step just outside the bedroom and to the left, and you'll arrive at your private terrace. Furnished with soft cushions, a handcrafted wooden table, and plenty of seating. Underneath, a hammock stretches beside a small private plunge pool. The suite also comes equipped with modern comforts, air conditioning, a ceiling fan, high-speed Wi-Fi, and a mini bar featuring locally sourced treats. Though Kokoro Mio is tucked deep within the jungle, guests also have exclusive access to the hotel's Lagoon Club, a private dock and beach area on the stunning Laguna de los Siete Colores in Julha. Located about a 5-minute drive or a 20-minute walk from the main property, the Lagoon Club offers a serene contrast to the forest's quiet stillness. While the hotel does offer shuttle service, we recommend renting a car to make getting around more convenient. The Lagoon Club is still expanding, but already features daybeds, loungers, kayaks, a gazebo set over the water, and what the hotel lovingly calls the Gate to Heaven, a picture-perfect portal aligned with the setting sun. For the founders, it's a symbolic tribute to their late parents and grandmother, a sacred space for reflection and connection. Here you can swim in crystal clear waters, relax with a drink from the bar, or set out on a private boat tour. With open skies, warm sun, and vibrant turquoise water, it's the perfect complement to the jungle sanctuary. Our stay at Kokoro Mio was truly unforgettable. From the natural beauty surrounding our treehouse-style cabana to the calm of kayaking across the lagoon, every moment felt like a retreat into something magical. For those seeking peace, beauty, and meaningful design, this is the perfect escape. And lastly, directly from the owners themselves, they say, this sanctuary was created not just for rest, but for awakening, for remembering, for returning home to yourself. Here, every guest is embraced as family, held, heard, healed. This is not a hotel, it is a sanctuary of transformation, a living prayer of forest, fire, water, and love. This is Kokoro Mio. Until next time, safe travels. Our next stop is an amazing hotel in Tulum, Mexico, set right on the water's edge and surrounded by jungle, offering the best of both worlds.